Hey guys, it's me, Wolf Potato, or Potato Gaming, and today we are going to be playing Minecraft, I guess. But I'm on a new recorder. It's called Omelet Arcade, I think. I don't really know. You can download it on the App Store for free, and it works perfectly. And I'm sorry if I sound a little raspy because I'm sick. And today we're on Hunger Games. Looking around to see the new stuff. This kind of thing where you can record, and so yeah. So get this for free on the App Store, and it works perfectly. This is my first time using it, and it looks perfect. So yeah, you can get it on the App Store for free. I keep telling you this, but you can. So yeah, go ahead and get it. It's free. Okay, go follow my friends. Omega128 AJ and stuff, because she's the best, and go watch her stuff there. So yeah, so go by there. Okay, I hope everyone has a good day or a good night, and I will see you all later. BYTATO. Wait, I didn't say it good. BYTATO! That's too high. BYTATO. No. BYTATO!